So today price consolidated at the European Open above and below day's open price, then found resistance here at 70s and then sold off straight down to last week's high, which I was mentioning in yesterday's video, and then kind of found support here at 20s, and now let's see if this will go back up and retest 50s or even higher, or if it will be a continuation to the downside, hopefully at 900s and pivot point of the day, or yesterday's initial balance high zone. So today's view combined with yesterday's rally and then the support here at 10,927s. So today sold off at this level and kind of found support, but not exactly like yesterday. Broke it down first, and now we're waiting to see if this is gonna be a second leg continuation, and price will trade inside yesterday's initial balance zone, which is about 137 points from 900s to 750 almost. So we'll see how price behave, or otherwise price will just go back above and retest 11,000. So price actually held support here at 20s and on previous week's high, then rallied back up to European cash open price and day's open price, and now kind of failed here and broke down 50s level, pulled back, and then and now it's looking that it's gonna go more downwards. Probably it's gonna retest this 900s level and pivot point of the day. So this pattern is a neutral reversal pattern, which means that there is indecision where the price will go after the cash market opens. So that is because of that reason there is intraday swings. So when the price used to either find resistance here or support there and reverse either way back up or down. So DAX now sold off from this resistance, then held resistance here at 50s level and retested the equilibrium line, then sold off and faked down initial balance low with volume spike at 500s on the minute, then retested it and now rallied above, and now we'll see if this will happen. Otherwise it's just gonna move lower. So let's see now on the 5 minutes. Price failed at yesterday's highs almost to make a new high, then now found support at pivot point of the day 900s. If price now breaks down below retested resistance, it will probably go down to 820s, which is this kind of yesterday's gap area, and then we'll see how price will behave here. So here we have an initial breakdown of 900s level, price just consolidated with support at 900s and pivot point of the day, a resistance at yesterday's very clear support and 28th of October high. Now let's see if price can go down below this level and go, let's say, at 800 retest. This one is a measured move, and this one is another measured move, which this one is valid for the whole day, but this one is valid until the US cash open. The more time, generally the more time price spends below and in between these two lines, the more likely it will go more downside. Price actually held resistance here at 900s and pivot point of the day, rallied back down, now retested it and seems it found resistance, and now will probably move lower. This is the kind of formation I'm looking for. Let's see if this will happen. So DAX actually chopped below 900s and pivot point and held support here at initial balance high of yesterday's initial balance hour, the first hour of the cash market. Now if we see some dollar strength as well, this could probably, if this probably held support here, hold support here, then it might go back up to retest day's open price, but then we'll see how this will play out during the US cash market open. If this just goes below this line, this level here, then it will be more downside, I think, but at the moment doesn't look that it will do that. Actually, on the minute here, just held support. This could be a very good long opportunity against this 900 and pivot point of the day with a very good defined risk, just a few points, and then a very good upside reward if this happens. So price now held support here at pivot point of the day and 900s. Now rallied back up to initial balance low. If this level hold and doesn't fail to hold, then we'll move upwards, but then needs to break this very important intraday resistance here in order to go upwards. Otherwise we'll just trade below initial balance low, and then we will wait and see in US cash market open if the price will just accelerate to the downside. Okay, US cash market opened. Now price held the resistance here at the initial balance low. Let's see if this will break down 900 and pivot point of the day, and then we'll probably move downwards, but price action is very slow at the moment. This is what happened during the session. Support here at 900s, resistance here at 927. So let's see if how this will play out. Price looks like held support here above 900s. Now broke out initial balance low. Let's see if this resistance will break, and then price will move to the upside. So price choppily held support at this level, then broke out last week's high, held support, and now rallied back above equilibrium line, and now failed at 50s. Let's see if this is real, or otherwise price will move upwards with some resistances here around this level. Then it will probably move up to 11,000 if there is a continuation of this initial move. Price now clearly held support here below equilibrium line at 50s fake out. Let's see now if price will move downwards while we came closer to the European cash close. So price actually held support again twice here at 28th of October high. Now traded upwards, probably will just double topped here, and we do have Draghi speech in 1.5 hours. So that's it for today. If you like what you see, you can share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.